Hey guys, it's Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. I have a fun unboxing to share with you today. One of my favorite companies. You know I love Creative Notions, okay? They are the sweetest company and I love working with them and receiving their boxes. This is what our box, quote unquote, box is. And this is the August 2022 box. Okay, so look how cute this is. We didn't get a box, we got an adorable project bag. Look at this. Okay, so you've seen in my other videos, they normally come in like a little drawstring bag because I use those drawstring bags for gifts, okay? I'm totally happy with this. So it's got a nice vinyl plastic front cover to it. It is nice and padded, okay, on the back, and it has a clear spot right here, and then it's got the handle at the top. Okay, so I'm gonna pull this open, and I have not dug through any of this, so there's fun things in there, and I'm gonna put my blinders on and see. So this box, the total value of this box is $87. Now, to order these boxes, and they are staying on track with your new orders, okay? It's $40 plus shipping. Now, they used to be just like in the US shipping, but they have recently opened to all over the world. I don't know how recently that was because I just happened to check that today to make sure that I was giving you the correct information. By the way, all of the links to what I'm giving you today, their website and everything, is gonna be in the description box down below this video, okay? So it's $40 plus shipping wherever you are in the world, okay? But the total value of this box is $87. Now, we have a lot of stuff in here. This is their birthday bag, which is why it's fun and festive, right? So it's packed with celebrations to thank you for all of your support during these difficult times. So if you want to know how to make this project bag and you don't want to actually buy this box, then you can go into their website, look for their patterns, and download this project bag because this is fun. And this is really useful too, because I mean, you could just put like a whole bunch of these on a coat hanger and keep everything nice and tight together. I love these types of bags. When I go on retreats or when I go to a friend's house or something, everything stays contained. Contained is really, really important in that bag. I don't want to read all of this to you. I want to show you like the goodies and stuff that we have in here. So first off, Creative Notions always send snacks, which I appreciate. It's fun, okay? It's fun to get something different in here. And what we have right here is a Maker's Planner washi tape, okay? So we have 6 different designs. A 1/2 inch by 7 yards is what each of these are. And it's by Sugar and Spice Studio for Creative Notions. And so let me show you. So look how cute these little washi tape designs are. Isn't that sweet? That's amazing. And then we have, this is what puts like the personal touches on it. We have a nice little recipe here that is submitted by one of the subscribers to the box. This is a dill pickle dip that looks very delicious. Here's one of the fabrics that's included. It's nice little cute hearts. Happy hearts, and I'm sure it goes with one of the patterns that is in here. I just have to get to all of my patterns. One of the patterns that we got is a whirling pinwheel quilt with 3D pinwheel accents and prairie point border. Wow, was that that was a tough one to get out. But this is what it is. There, now you can read the title so I don't have to say that out loud again because lordy, I do not want to say that out loud again. And then we also have a additional pattern that is for the whirling pinwheel quilt and pillow. Quilt with 3D pinwheel accents and prairie point border. So there's a lot in here, but that is really cute. So those 3D quilted pinwheels, that's going to be like a 3D effect on your quilt, which I've seen those before, but I've never made one. So this will be interesting to make. Really super cute. And then we have some extra ideas to use your garden bloom blocks, which I guess we have not gotten to yet, but we have these patterns. Now with the Creative Notions boxes, if you are somebody who has a hard time seeing a pattern and imagining what fabric you're going to use with that pattern, Creative Notions is really a good place to start for you because it does the visualization for you. The patterns and the fabrics that are in this quilt block right here that you're seeing on these papers are actually included in this kit, okay? And they are on here so that you can see them, which is really, really nice. And I'm not gonna show you all of this because that's part of the pattern itself, but you can really easily visualize how to put it together step by step, beautifully illustrated patterns. So if you have a hard time with that visualization part, it makes it so easy. I am all about making things easy. When I just want to sit down and create, I don't want to sit down and think and have to figure out and like work my brain when it's already been worked and with the kids and work and everything else. I just want to create. That's it right there. That's my go-to, okay? Now we're also getting blocks of the month every single month, and this block is Aster. Same thing, it goes through step by step, beautifully illustrated. And then here's the other one that is Violet, okay? So it gives you step by step on both sides of this. I have a binder up in my shelves there where I keep all of these, so I have a nice resource that I can go to whenever I need like a block idea or a design, right? You can also just do kind of like a mystery block with that as well if you want to do your own mystery thing. Now, this is the Bright Blossoms charm packs that they were talking about. And there's 2 of them, okay? So they're 5 by 5 and it has 42 pieces in here, and this is the Bright Blossoms, okay? So I'm not gonna open these up right now because they're nice and tight, but this is what all of those fabrics are right here. And isn't that beautiful? I love, love, love how happy and bright that is. Now, in the pattern itself, it does tell you that you're gonna need some background fabric. So this is not absolutely everything that you need for the project, but it's gonna get you about 80, let's say 89% of the way there, okay? You will probably need to buy your backing fabric for this. You'll probably need to buy your, like the background fabric, like the white in this one, you'll probably need to buy that as well. But from having nothing to getting a pattern, most of your focus fabrics, and exactly how to do it step by step, I mean, that's amazing. Now, what we have here are cutting templates is what they've sent. So that's this part right here. This is a cutting template. Now, the reason that they say cutting template and not cutting ruler is printed right on the back here. So I'm gonna read that to you real quick. So a cutting template, because this is something that is like good educational knowledge, not intended as a quilting ruler. Acrylic width is deeper for quilting rulers to prevent the needle jumping. Okay, so this is as a cutting template. So it's a template you're going to draw around it and then cut, okay? As a cutting ruler, they're a little bit deeper so that you have more of a ledge to either run your rotary cutter around or do something else with. So we got a 4-inch circle. I love, love, love their acrylic templates, okay? You can actually get their rulers on their website, but they're nice, beautiful, clear acrylic. You can see right through them. Everything is clearly marked on them. And then these outer edges have a bit of a non-slip texture to them too, so they don't slide on your fabric. So we have the 4-inch circle, we have the 3-inch circle, and then we have this tiny little 2-inch circle. And what did they add to the 2-inch circle? They added a ring. So what we can do is we can add our circles, which I'm not gonna do it right now because they're in like little cute protective sleeves, but we can add our circles to this ring. So it's almost like a little baby key ring. But how easy is that to hang up on my pegboard and keep up with? And whenever I need a circle template, there it is. So that is awesome. I mean, that is a ton of stuff. We got fabric, we got patterns, we've got more fabric, got charm packs, we got some block of the months, we got these cute little circle templates, and then we got an awesome project bag to keep it all together. This is very, very belated Creative Notions, but happy birthday from August. So I hope that you're doing very well. And I mean, these boxes are awesome. They're fun. And the company is based out of Utah. So really, really sweet people, very knowledgeable every time I've talked to them, very quick to get back to like email responses and stuff. If you have any questions on this box, leave them in the comments down below. I will get back to you as quick as I can to answer your comments. If you're interested in subscribing to this box, make sure you look at the links in the description box down below. I will have everything to their website. I don't profit from any of the sales that come from this. I am just sharing this because I love this company. I love everything that they put out. They make amazing boxes, and I know that they work really, really hard to make something completely unique in the box of subscription world, or in the world of subscription boxes rather, where everything is kind of run of the mill, you know. It's hard to find something that is really, really unique. So I hope that you have a wonderful day. I will talk to you so soon. I'm Kristen with ICStarsQuilting.com. Love you. Bye.